Alright, we just hit Fontana Village, so now we're going to get up to the village. I started a new recording. 9 minutes is 4 gigs. And that last one was right about 6 minutes. I'm trying to keep my eye on the clock. There's nothing worse than going home and having to splice together a whole bunch of movies. I'd rather just upload them all to YouTube, let you guys sort them out. Because really, you're just watching this because you're bored as hell in your office and you want to be on a motorcycle. I get it. I would do it too. If only the guy on the motorcycle would shut up, right? Man, I don't know what's worse, the patchwork or what was there before. Maybe somebody in the state of North Carolina will see this video and say, hey, we got a lot of tourists that come up North Carolina 28 around Fontana Village. Why don't we go out there and fix the road? You and I know that's not going to happen. Alright, here's an Audi. Here's a Mustang. Ugh. Why do the biggest douchebags drive Mustangs? Mustang's the secretary's car. Oh, maybe they're secretaries. Maybe they want to be secretaries. My buddy Roland had a Mustang back in, I don't know, 1935 when he was younger. I know they didn't start making the Mustang until 65. But where I'm going with that is, Roland had a Mustang. And by God, Roland probably be the worst secretary you'd ever have. Yay, they got off. Volkswagen, 2 BMWs. You guys keeping track how many we've seen so far? It's not as many as I had thought. But I'm also under the belief that they probably got up early this morning and headed home. All right, there's you another 6 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and stop this video. If you like what you see so far, which I have been impressed, hit the like and subscribe buttons, because I need you. So I'm gonna stop it here. I'm gonna start another one.